Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for being here today. My name is Haryadi Mujianto, and I'm excited to share with you some insight on the effectiveness of live streaming as a local product marketing communication strategy on social media. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesianya itu efektivitas live streaming sebagai strategi komunikasi pemasaran produk lokal di media sosial dalam menjangkau pasar yang luas. Jadi adik-adik yang di sini, kalau live streaming tuh bukan hanya goyangnya ya, tetapi juga sambil jualan ya. Di sini itu kita akan membahas itu ya. Oke, next slide. In the last decade, the development of information and communication technology has drastically changed the way business actors market their product, especially in the context of micro, small, and medium enterprise. In Indonesia itu UMKM ya. One of the phenomena that is a major concern in digital marketing communication today is the increasing use of live streaming, user and social media as a real-time product promotion and sales strategy. Jadi kita itu zaman sekarang bisa berjualan ya secara real time tanpa harus menunggu, tanpa harus menunggu konsumen-konsumen untuk membeli, tapi kita secara langsung bisa membeli. Then what is the background of this research? Yeah. First, ICT has transformed MSME product marketing, and second, live streaming evolves from entertainment in interactive marketing, and third, social media platform TikTok, Instagram, Shopee, and so on, integrative live future. Next slide. This is a reason why growing digital consumption in Indonesia. First, over 212 million internet users Indonesia, ya lebih dari 212 juta menggunakan internet di Indonesia. Kemudian 19% use smartphone social media in East Central. With so many users, it could be a big opportunity to get live streaming visitors, which will have an impact on increased sales. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube dominate live streaming use. Jadi TikTok, Instagram itu sangat mendominasi ya. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube itu mendominasi untuk melakukan live streaming. And then live commerce accelerate local product adoption. Next slide. And then this is the problem statement in this research. There are three questions. First, is live streaming truly effective in increasing reach, engagement, and conversion? And then UMKM struggle with limited resource and digital visibility, and live streaming offers high reach, low cost promotion with emotional engagement. The research objective in this research is to aim to analyze the effectiveness of live streaming as a local product marketing communication strategy on social media. Next slide. There are some previous research overviews in this research. Ini Ken Reed ya, Hilford Bruce, and then Lev et al. Kemudian Parklin, Damayanti. Next. This is three research gap in this research. Jadi research gap ya dalam penelitian ini. Yang pertama itu lack of focus on locality and cultural storytelling. And second, few studies link live streaming to AIDA or persuasive theory. And third, platforms specific consumer behavior difference are under explored. Next slide. The research method in this research is quantitative with correlation survey approach, and then respondent consists of 310 Indonesian social media users. Instrument use only questionnaire, and then analyze SPSS V26 descriptive stat regression analysis. And next. finding. The finding, this research, is the effectiveness of live streaming measured by three main dimensions. There are interactivity, presenter, credibility, and visual appeal. Interactivity consists of real-time comment, Q&A, and polls foster high audience involvement. And then presenter credibility consists of trust in honest experiences, presenters build confidence, and visual appeal consists of product layout, lighting, and demos create positive perception. Next. Discussion. Live streaming is an effective tool for local business, and then case strength consists of interactivity, enable real-time engagement, presenter credibility, build trust, and visual appeal trigger impulse buying, and then supported by source credibility theory and AIDA model. Conclusion. Live streaming increase consumer interest in local product, and then effectiveness reinforced by interactive communication, authentic and credible presence, and professional visual design, and support include digital marketing and MSME market reach. And then, okay, before I finish my presentation, may I say thank you to all parties. I would like to thank you FKOMinfo, Universitas of Garut, for the funding and faculty provider for this article. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the supervisor, reviewers, and editorial team for their valuable input and suggestion in perfecting this manuscript. I would also like to thank you all respondents who have been willing to take the time and provide valuable contribution through their participation in this study. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you, Mrs. Vera. Thank you, my audience.
Any question, everyone, about this participant? Bu Azmi, please. Thank you, Mrs. Vera. Pak Haryadi.
Okay. Yes.
I want to know about result your research. How can live streaming strategies be optimized to expand the market reach of local products on social media?
Okay, thank you for your question. Very interesting. What? I will try to answer your question. Optimizing live streaming strategies involves incorporating promotion, incentive, leveraging cross-platform streaming, collaborating with influence, and maintaining consistent branding. Additionally, analyze viewer engagement data can provide insight for refining future broadcast to better align with audience preference. Oh? Udah? Kurang. Aduh.
What factor influence the success of live streaming as a marketing communication strategy for local products?
Sukses ya. Sukses live streaming.
Sorry. Three questions for you.
Tiga.
Can you read about the illustration? And I can read about all the questions for you. Yeah?
Okay.
From Nabila Rahayu, I have a local brand that is just starting out and already has regular customer. We've tried live streaming, but it hasn't caught on. What is the most important thing to improve first? The content, the timing, or the promotion? For number two, the factor influence the success of live streaming of marketing communication strategy. And the next one, izin bertanya, apa peran interaksi dengan penonton dalam keberhasilan live streaming?
I will try to answer use bahasa,
Yeah, please.
pakai bahasa. Semuanya penting, ya, baik itu konten, interesting content, and then apa itu namanya? Konten yang menarik, kemudian waktu, ya, penentuan waktu. Time, ya, time. Jadi apa namanya? Everything is important, ya, important. Time important, and then content is important. Ya, terus personal, apa sih namanya itu? Apa sih? Content creator juga menarik. Terus kemudian yang live TikTok itu namanya apa ya? Live streamer, yes. Live streamer is presenter credibility. Masuknya presenter credibility, ya.
Alright, enough? Actually, we have 1 minute left and one question again for you.
Oke, siap.
I have a part-time job as a live host. I'm always confused when there are no viewers. And I keep repeating myself explaining the product. How can I attract viewers when no one is watching? No one is watching.
Bagaimana itu kalau nggak ada yang itu? Istiqomah. Yes, istiqomah. Ya, if you no one to see your live streaming, istiqomah. To try terus. Mencoba terus. Yes, istiqomah. Is my content. For example, my content is video creator AI. My followers only 600, but my viewer is 40,000. 40,000 one video. Istiqomah, kuncinya istiqomah. Terus, yes. Konsisten, ya konsisten. Ya, Bang. Kan ya. Konsisten. Can you zoom? Nggak bisa di zoom. Oke, this creator video AI. New akun, but viewer 47,000. One video. 39.000, yang satunya 39.000 ini. Nah, ini saya jualan juga. Saya jualan. Awalnya saya tidak jualan, tetapi ketika saya mengupload video ini, tiba-tiba banyak yang minat, langsung saya jualan, laris. Siapa tahu yang di Zoom bisa pesan boleh, kreator video AI.
Video AI.
Ya, video AI.
Istiqomah.
Istiqomah yang konsisten, yes. Jangan putus asa, tuh bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Don't give up.
Don't give up, Mbak Nuri. Istiqomah, konsisten, don't give up. Something it's gonna make sense. Ya?
Okay, yes.